Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove this name password in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to remove this name password, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove name password in our vivo phone device. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you remove it. So guys, now let's see how to remove name password in our vivo phone device. So then first of all, open your phone setting to remove your name password. Then guys, scroll. Guys, click on your security setting. Guys, click on your screen lock and guys enter your name password, and guys click on the swipe option, then guys delete. So guys, now you can see guys name password has removed in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password in our vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.